Gentlemen, let's talk honestly because this is a topic most men are curious about but rarely get straight answers to. You've probably seen claims everywhere saying, eat this and you'll have stronger erections, or this food will boost your sperm overnight. But here's the truth. Real, lasting performance doesn't come from quick fixes or miracle pills. It comes from understanding how your body truly works and how the right foods and habits can completely transform your energy, stamina, and confidence from the inside out. Your body is an incredible machine capable of repairing itself, strengthening itself, and performing at its best if you know how to fuel it right. And today, we're going to break down the science behind it, what you can eat every single day to naturally support stronger erections, more powerful sperm, and a healthier, more vibrant you. This isn't about hype, and it's not about myths. It's about biology, nutrition, and real medical insight that can help you take control of your vitality no matter your age. If you've ever felt your energy dip, your confidence waver, or your performance not quite match your desire, then stay with me till the end of this video because what you're about to learn could help you reconnect with the best version of yourself. This is about empowerment, not embarrassment. It's about understanding your body, fueling it intelligently, and giving it what it truly needs to perform like it was designed to. So take a deep breath, stay focused, and let's dive into the science of how one simple change in your daily nutrition can reignite your strength, confidence, and passion for life. One of the most powerful biological processes behind a strong erection is the production of nitric oxide, a molecule that plays a central role in relaxing blood vessels and improving circulation. Erections are not just about desire or arousal. They are a direct reflection of how efficiently blood can flow through the arteries and reach the penile tissue. As men age, or as lifestyle factors like poor diet, smoking, stress, and inactivity accumulate, the ability of blood vessels to expand and carry oxygen-rich blood weakens. This is where nitric oxide becomes vital. It is produced naturally by the lining of blood vessels, known as the endothelium, and acts as a signal that tells the surrounding muscles to relax, allowing blood to move freely. Without sufficient nitric oxide, the blood vessels remain stiff and narrow, making it difficult to achieve or maintain a firm erection. The exciting truth is that nature has already provided the tools to support this function through the foods we eat. Foods rich in nitrates, such as beets, spinach, arugula, and celery, are known to boost nitric oxide levels naturally. When consumed, these foods are converted into nitrites and then into nitric oxide in the body. Similarly, foods high in the amino acid L-arginine, such as nuts, seeds, and lean meats, help fuel this process by providing the raw material for nitric oxide synthesis. Together, these nutrients create an internal environment that supports smooth blood flow, vascular flexibility, and healthier endothelial function. Studies have consistently shown that men who maintain diets rich in vegetables, fruits, and whole grains have a significantly lower risk of erectile dysfunction compared to those who consume diets high in processed fats, sugars, and red meat. But nitric oxide is not only about erections, it's a reflection of vascular health as a whole. A strong erection is often a sign of a strong heart. It's because both depend on the same network of arteries and veins. When blood flow to the penis improves, it means the cardiovascular system is functioning better too. In fact, doctors often refer to erectile dysfunction as an early warning sign of heart disease, since the smaller blood vessels in the penis tend to show problems before the larger ones around the heart do. That means eating to improve blood flow doesn't just help in the bedroom, it protects your entire circulatory system. Another key point is that oxidative stress and inflammation can break down nitric oxide and damage the cells that produce it. Antioxidant-rich foods like pomegranate blueberries and dark leafy greens help protect these delicate blood vessels from that damage, allowing nitric oxide levels to remain stable. Exercise also plays a major role in maintaining nitric oxide production, as physical activity increases oxygen delivery and helps the endothelium stay active and responsive. So when someone says that eating certain foods can give you stronger erections, there's solid science behind it. It's not about magic or quick fixes. It's about chemistry, blood flow, and long-term vessel health. Cis. Nitric oxide is the silent power behind every healthy erection, and by fueling your body with the right nutrients, you're not just enhancing performance, you're strengthening one of the most important systems in your entire body. When it comes to male fertility and reproductive strength, two minerals stand out as absolute essentials: zinc and selenium. These nutrients are the quiet powerhouses behind testosterone production, sperm health, and overall reproductive function. For men who want stronger erections, higher energy, and more potent sperm, understanding how these minerals work in the body is key. Zinc is one of the most critical elements for male hormones. Cis. It acts as a cofactor in the production of testosterone, meaning that without enough zinc, the body struggles to maintain optimal hormone levels. Low testosterone can lead to reduced libido, weaker erections, and even mood swings or fatigue. Zinc also plays a structural role in the formation of sperm cells. It stabilizes sperm DNA, helps with cell division, and protects sperm from oxidative damage as they develop in the tests. A deficiency in zinc has been linked to lower sperm count, poor motility, and a decrease in overall sperm quality, all of which directly affect fertility and sexual vitality. Selenium, on the other hand, works hand in hand with zinc to protect and energize sperm. It acts as a powerful antioxidant, preventing the delicate membranes of sperm cells from oxidative stress, one of the leading causes of DNA fragmentation and sperm damage. Selenium is also vital for the enzyme glutathione peroxidase, which safeguards sperm cells from inflammation and cellular breakdown. Studies have shown that men who have higher selenium intake tend to have better sperm motility, meaning their sperm move more efficiently toward the egg, increasing the chances of fertilization. Together, zinc and selenium create a strong foundation for reproductive performance, supporting both quantity and quality. Foods that are rich in these minerals are surprisingly simple and accessible. Oysters are one of the most concentrated natural sources of zinc and have long been associated with male vitality for good reason. Other great sources include pumpkin seeds, cashews, chickpeas, eggs, and lean meats like beef and turkey. For selenium, foods such as Brazil nuts, tuna, salmon, and whole grains are excellent choices. Just a few Brazil nuts a day can meet your daily selenium requirement, providing a natural boost for sperm health and testosterone balance. When these nutrients are part of your daily diet, you're not only supporting your reproductive system, but also your immune system, muscle growth, and overall energy metabolism. It's also important to understand that modern stress, poor diets, and environmental toxins can deplete these minerals faster than expected. Excessive alcohol, smoking, or processed foods can block the absorption of zinc and selenium, leaving the body vulnerable to hormonal imbalance and oxidative stress. That's why dietary choices have such a powerful impact on men's health. Every meal is a chance to either build or weaken the foundation of your reproductive vitality. When men commit to eating foods rich in zinc and selenium, they're doing more than just improving fertility. They're enhancing testosterone production, protecting their DNA, and promoting stronger, more energetic sperm. These minerals are small in quantity but massive in importance, serving as the building blocks of male strength at its most fundamental level. Incorporating them into your daily diet is one of the simplest and most effective ways to support sexual health naturally and powerfully. Antioxidants are among the most important protectors of male reproductive health, especially when it comes to sperm quality and hormonal balance. Every day, the body is exposed to oxidative stress, a process caused by unstable molecules known as free radicals that can damage cells, including those in the testes and blood vessels. Over time, this damage can affect how testosterone is produced and how well sperm are formed, reducing both fertility and overall sexual vitality. The reproductive system is particularly vulnerable because sperm cells are delicate and packed with genetic material that needs protection. When oxidative stress becomes too high, it can harm the DNA inside sperm cells, making them less mobile, less capable of fertilizing an egg, and more prone to abnormalities. Antioxidants act as the body's natural defense system against this damage, neutralizing free radicals and preserving the integrity of cells. Foods rich in antioxidants provide the body with compounds that repair and protect tissues, ensuring that sperm remain healthy and that blood vessels stay flexible and open for proper circulation. This is essential because erections depend on good blood flow, and oxidative stress is one of the key causes of endothelial dysfunction, a condition where blood vessels lose their ability to relax properly. When the endothelium, the inner lining of the blood vessels, is damaged by free radicals, the production of nitric oxide decreases, which makes it harder for blood to flow freely into the penis. Therefore, by eating foods high in antioxidants, you're not only protecting sperm health, but also improving erection quality and vascular performance. Fruits like pomegranate, blueberries, and citrus are powerful examples of antioxidant-rich foods that directly support reproductive health. Pomegranate, in particular, has been studied for its ability to increase testosterone levels and enhance sperm motility. It also helps lower inflammation and improve circulation throughout the body. Similarly, leafy greens, dark chocolate, and nuts provide important compounds like flavonoids, polyphenols, and vitamin E, all of which support cellular repair and hormonal stability. These nutrients help the testes function optimally, ensuring consistent testosterone production and healthy sperm development. When combined with a balanced intake of omega-3 fatty acids from sources like fish and flaxseed, the body becomes even more resilient to oxidative stress, keeping both hormones and reproductive tissues in balance. It's also important to recognize that antioxidants support more than just physical health. They play a vital role in reducing mental fatigue and improving overall well-being. Stress, poor sleep, and inflammation all contribute to hormonal imbalances that lower libido and affect mood. By eating antioxidant-rich foods daily, men can protect not only their reproductive system, but also their energy levels, concentration, and endurance. Antioxidants stabilize the internal environment of the body, keeping testosterone steady, improving mood, and promoting better recovery after stress or physical exertion. Antioxidants are nature's defense system for the modern man. They fight the invisible damage caused by aging, pollution, and poor lifestyle habits, allowing your body to perform the way it was designed to. A diet rich in colorful fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats doesn't just protect your heart. It protects your virility, your confidence, and your ability to maintain strength and vitality at any age. When it comes to improving erectile strength and sperm health, no single food or supplement can act as a miracle cure. The truth is that men's sexual performance and reproductive vitality are the result of an entire lifestyle. A combination of what you eat, how you move, how well you sleep, and how you manage stress. The human body thrives on consistency and balance, not quick fixes. Eating nutrient-rich foods every day lays the foundation, but that foundation only becomes powerful when it's supported by healthy habits. For example, physical activity plays an essential role in maintaining proper blood flow, strengthening the cardiovascular system, and stimulating natural testosterone production. When the heart is strong and circulation is efficient, the penis receives more oxygenated blood, resulting in firmer and longer-lasting erections. Exercise also helps reduce excess body fat, especially around the abdomen, which is closely linked to lower testosterone levels. A leaner, more active body is naturally more hormonally balanced. Hydration is another crucial factor. Blood is mostly water, and dehydration can cause fatigue, poor circulation, and even reduced semen volume. Drinking enough water throughout the day supports the transport of nutrients to the cells and the elimination of toxins that can affect sperm quality. Alongside hydration, proper sleep is a non-negotiable pillar of male sexual health. Most testosterone is produced during deep sleep, particularly in the early morning hours. When sleep is consistently disrupted or too short, testosterone levels drop, libido weakens, and the body's ability to recover from daily stress declines. Prioritizing at least 7 hours of quality sleep each night is one of the simplest and most effective ways to supercharge hormonal balance and energy levels naturally. As equally important is stress management. Chronic stress elevates cortisol, a hormone that directly interferes with testosterone production. When cortisol stays high for too long, it can lead to fatigue, anxiety, and loss of sexual interest. Practices like meditation, deep breathing, or spending time in nature can lower cortisol and restore hormonal balance. Even small moments of mindfulness throughout the day make a measurable difference in mood and sexual vitality. This is why lifestyle integration matters more than isolated efforts, because every system in the body communicates with the others. A calm mind supports a strong body, and a strong body supports a confident and capable mind. Diet remains the central pillar that ties everything together. Consuming whole foods like vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, nuts, seeds, and healthy fats provides the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants the body needs to function at its best. Avoiding processed foods, sugar, and excessive alcohol helps keep the blood vessels flexible and responsive. Over time, these simple habits work synergistically to enhance erectile performance and sperm quality without the need for artificial stimulation or dependence on medications. Sustainable sexual health is built through daily decisions, not overnight changes. Each meal, each workout, and each night of good rest strengthens the systems that regulate energy, hormones, and performance. When a man commits to living this way, he's not just improving his erections or sperm count, he's improving his entire life, from his confidence to his longevity, one consistent choice at a time. The strength of your erections, the vitality of your sperm, and the overall power of your sexual health are not determined by age alone. They are reflections of how you treat your body every single day. The foods you eat, the way you move, the quality of your sleep, and the peace of your mind all work together to shape your performance and confidence as a man. Nutrient-rich foods that boost nitric oxide, provide zinc and selenium, and deliver antioxidants are not just ingredients for fertility. They are building blocks of longevity and energy. When combined with healthy lifestyle habits, exercise, hydration, and stress control, they help you sustain hormonal balance, circulation, and reproductive function into later years. The truth is, there is no shortcut to lasting strength, but there is a clear and achievable path, one built on knowledge, awareness, and consistency. So, if you're serious about improving your health, start by fueling your body with purpose. Choose foods that nourish you, habits that energize you, and a mindset that values long-term vitality over temporary pleasure. Remember, your body is incredibly intelligent. When you give it the right tools, it rewards you with energy, confidence, and performance that feels natural and powerful. Says thank you for being here and for taking the time to invest in your health and understanding. Your curiosity and commitment to learning are the first steps toward transformation. Stay consistent, stay patient, and trust that every positive change you make today builds a stronger version of you tomorrow. Wishing you good health, balance, and unshakable vitality in every area of your life. Good luck, and thank you for watching.